To given function fx equal 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on R. Now what is the domain here? What is the domain? This is the polynomial function and domain is the all real number. Polynomial function having the all real number. But condition here is given the f dash x is greater than 0. In this condition, function is strictly increasing. Suppose function f dash x less than 0 is strictly decreasing. It is clear now? Rohit, tell me first to differentiate with respect to x.
किसको करना है 3x को प्लस 17
हाँ, tell me.
3x प्लस 17 को हो जाएगा 3 बच जाएगा सर वो इंक्रीजिंग एक्सपेक्टेड होगा
Differentiate this function first f dash x
सर 3
equal to 3. और value of the f dash is क्या? Greater than 0.
यस सर
f dash है, value of the f dash कितना है? Greater than 0 है ना? Direct you can add the greater than 0. 3 is greater than 0.
यस सर
We can say directly here कि function fx is increasing, strictly increasing, not increasing. So function fx is strictly increasing. It is clear?
यस सर
Sit down. Question number second. Question number second. This one is noted. Question number second. Function here given e exponent 2x. E exponent 2x is strictly increasing on R. This is the exponential function. You will check this function is strictly increasing or not. Clear? Same process. First of all, differentiate with respect to x. Clear? So now differentiate with respect to x. What value of the f dash x equal to 2 exponent 2x. Is clear? अब डायरेक्टली आप डिसाइड कि आपके फंक्शन स्टिल इंक्रीजिंग है या ग्रेटर देन 0 है या नहीं, कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे? टेल मी क्विक.
x की वैल्यू होगी ना सर कुछ दे रहे
x belongs R. x belongs R. Domain is the real number.
हैं इंफिनिटी से माइनस इंफिनिटी जाएगा
Yes, tell. Value डाल. Which value will input here? Means condition here, three conditions here. Suppose value of the x greater than 0, value of x less than 0, and value of the x equal 0. First case. Second condition, how to solve this question here? Directly you can put the value of the e here. In mathematically, suppose you are using the e as a constant. Listen first. Second technique of this solve. Suppose you are taking the e as a constant form. The value of the e, how much value of the e here? 2.7183. Value of the कितनी होती है मैथ्स में काउंट? 2.7183. और suppose value of the e 2.1783. This is the positive value. Clear? Clear not? x को कोई भी रियल नंबर आप पुट कर लीजिए तो क्या होगा? नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. दिस विल ऑलवेज कम इन द पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. This was the second technique. But first technique here, we will put the value of the x here. If equal 0, less than 0 and greater than 0. It is clear? And now when x equal to 0, so x greater than 0, x greater than 0, then what value of the e? Then 2 exponent 2x, so 2 exponent.
Good morning.
तो now look here, 2 exponent what value of इसका e exponent x का आइडेंटिटी क्या आपके पास? e exponent x 1 plus x upon 2 plus x square upon factorial 2 plus इसमें से आपका बनेगा this is the value of the e exponent x. What value of the e exponent x? But suppose you have the e exponent 2x here, then you write e plus 2x plus 2 x square upon factorial 2 infinite. Is infinite 3. Then you write you here 1 plus 2x plus 2x square upon factorial 2. It is clear or not? It is clear or not? ये वैल्यू ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट x कितनी होती है 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 2 x क्यूब अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 3 x स्क्वायर अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 4 इनफाइनाइट क्लियर. So then using suppose you have the exponent here 2x, then according to this way 1 plus 2x plus 2x square upon factorial 2. Priya, look at इधर बैठो. According this way, suppose you are putting the value of the f greater than 0 here, means 1 2 3 4 5 any value here, then so this value comes in positive or negative? Check this way. Always come in the positive, so then this will come always greater than 0. It is clear? Then f dash x is greater than 0. In suppose x greater than 0, then f dash greater than 0. Clear? Second condition here. What is the second condition? When x equal to 0. Clear? When x equal to 0, we are putting here, what result come here? 1. Then f dash x equal to 2 into 0. Result आएगा 2 into 1 equal to 2. This one is greater than 0. इस कंडीशन में क्या हो जाएगा? Greater than 0 है. थर्ड कंडीशन क्या आएगी? When x equal to x less than 0. X less than 0 means negative value, negative real numbers. Negative real number. -1, -2, -1 by 2, -3 by 4, any negative numbers here. Because x belong here R. X belong here R. So then what value of here? Same process here. E exponent 2 exponent minus 2x. Then you can write this form here 2 upon e exponent 2x. And what value of come here 1 plus 2x plus 2x upon factorial 2. In this form, and this will always come in the positive form. Clear? What result come here? Greater than 0. Then you can say that so f dash x is greater than 0. In three conditions. First condition f dash greater than 0. Second condition f dash greater than 0, and third condition also f dash greater than 0. Clear? In three conditions we are applying here in e exponent x. So you can say that the fx function fx equal to e exponent x is strictly increasing, not increasing, strictly increasing, continuously increasing. Clear? Yes, note down it please. So that the function given fx equal to function is given here trigonometric function fx equal to sin x, or interval is given here strictly increasing in interval 0 to pi by 2 and strictly decreasing pi by 2 to pi. Clear? This function already discussed in y equals sin x. This is not. and differentiate, you can write here fx sin x, differentiate with respect to x. F dash x equal to what value here? Cos x. What value of the x here? Cos x. In first part, what is the interval given here? X belongs, what belongs here? Open interval, close interval? Open, 0 to pi by 2. In first part, interval given here, the x belongs 0 to pi by 2. Or you know, this is the first quadrant, and first quadrant is the cos x is the positive. Yes, not? Now, when x belongs interval 0 to pi by 2, then cos x is greater than 0 or not? Tell me quick. In first quadrant, this is the first quadrant, the value of the cos x is greater than 0 or not? All value positive. All value positive is greater than 0. But then you can say here, then f dash x is greater than 0. Is clear? Suppose this value is greater than 0, this is also greater than 0. Clear? But then f dash will be greater than 0. And what is the condition of the f dash greater than 0? The function fx is, what is the function fx is sin x is strictly increasing. So hence, we can say that fx is strictly increasing at x belongs interval 0 to pi by 2. इस इंटरवल में ये फंक्शन आपका स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग पॉसिबल है. क्लियर? When function is given the closed interval, then you can increasing only. If only something change here, only open interval convert to closed interval, then you can write here only increasing. Strictly what is it going to come here? Done? Clear? Clear not? Second part, not only first then second. Noted?
Yes, sir.
In second part, what is the value in second part here? Interval x belongs open interval pi by 2 to pi. And pi by 2 pi, which quadrant of this? Second quadrant. F dash is the same that here. Value of the f dash is the same here. Now, when x belongs pi by 2 to pi, then cos x. What value of the cos x? In second quadrant, cos is negative. Then value of the cos x is 0, less than 0. Then you can say, so if f dash x less than 0, hence you can say here, hence fx is strictly decreasing. At x belongs pi by 2 to pi. इस रेंज में ये फंक्शन क्या है? स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी. उसमें समझने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट आपको आइडेंटिटी टेक्निक अपना मिल गई. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, इन थर्ड पार्ट, neither increasing nor decreasing when interval x belongs, what belongs here? 0 to pi. 0 to, now look here, when x belongs 0 to pi, now look here, अब 0 to pi में क्या आपकी वैल्यू ऑफ द cos x क्या होगी आपके पास? टेल मी क्विक, वैल्यू ऑफ द cos x 0 से पाई तक इंक्रीज भी हो रही है, डिक्रीज भी हो रही है। यानी आपका अगर हम 2 पर 0 से पाई तक आपका 0 से हमने इससे फर्स्ट पार्ट सॉल्व किया विद हेल्प ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट। क्लियर? यू कैन से कि फंक्शन विद हेल्प ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट की 0 to पाई, फिर पाई से पाई बाई 2 से पाई। तो फंक्शन cos x क्या है? इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग। cos x is increase increased and decreased. So you can say directly, yeah, this one with help of the first and second part. Clear? With help of the first and second part, the value of the cos x, यहाँ पर cos x है ना, एड्रेस ऐसी वैल्यू क्या है? इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज बहुत हो रही है। तो इन दिस टाइप फंक्शन ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कि यू विल राइट हियर कि नीदर इंक्रीजिंग नॉर डिक्रीजिंग। क्लियर? चाहे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शंस में हो या अदर किसी फंक्शंस में हो, ऑल के लिए, ऐसा नहीं कि इसी फंक्शन में, ऑल के लिए किसी फंक्शन आपका पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शंस हो, एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शंस हो, जहाँ पे इंक्रीज डिक्रीजिंग दोनों पार्ट हो रहे हैं, किसी भी क्वेश्चन में आएगा तो हम टोटलिटी में हम उसको क्या कहेंगे? टोटलिटी में कहेंगे नीदर इंक्रीजिंग नॉर डिक्रीजिंग। डन? तो हैंस यू कैन से f dash s क्या है? f dash s fx, sorry, f dash s fx is neither increasing nor decreasing. Done? नेक्स्ट क्या है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हो जाएगा। सॉल्विंग पे नहीं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 डिफरेंट टाइप क्वेश्चन है। Question number 4, look on the book. There are different type questions. Say find the interval in which the function f. You will find here the interval. Function here given or condition also given here. The function is strictly increasing. It is clear? Function here given. You will find only interval here or condition here given. Interval, which interval you will find here? Strictly increasing condition or second is strictly decreasing condition. What is the function given here? fx. What is given with fx? 2x square minus 3x. First of all, you will use differentiate with respect of differentiate with respect to x. F dash x equal to 4x minus 3. Yeah, now look here. Look here. First of all, given function here, this function here given here, and what things you find here? What things you find here? Intervals. You will find here intervals. Or condition here to 4x. So you will be put. What things you put here? You f dash equal to 0. Why you putting here 0 here? Why you putting the 0 here? You will find the critical point. But when you putting the f dash equal to means when the constant function, this is value not increasing not decreasing. So those point you will find here the critical point. So this point will be the function is not increasing not decreasing. After that you can find the value of the interval of the increasing or decreasing. You will put here f dash equal to 0. Why you putting here f dash equal to 0? Because you are finding the critical points. Every critical point में function क्या होता है? Constant. Every critical point में function is constant. Constant means? Constant means? is 0. Now at put f dash x equal to 0, then 4x minus equal to 0. What value of the x here? 4x equal to 3. X equal to 4 by 3. X equal to 4 by 3. अब इसको आप रियल नंबर लाइन रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, रियल नंबर लाइन This one is the 4/3. So when you putting this value in this function, क्या फंक्शन क्या हो जाएगा? जीरो आएगा. इस पॉइंट में जाएगा इस वैल्यू जीरो. क्लियर नॉट? वाई पुटिंग हियर जीरो? क्या इस पॉइंट में क्या होगा? इसका क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स में कांस्टेंट
3/4 होगा सर.
3/4
3/4. 3/4 when you putting the value 3/4 the result is कम जीरो. जितने भी क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स लाइंस में आएंगे एक्स की जितनी वैल्यूज होंगी उसमें क्या होता है? कांस्टेंट होंगे वैल्यू. कांस्टेंट मींस स्लोप इज विल जीरो. लेफ्ट साइड में आपको क्या बनेगा? माइनस इनफाइनाइट से प्लस इनफाइनाइट तक जाएगा. आपके पास कितने इंटरवल्स हो गए? 2 इंटरवल्स. इज क्लियर? Which interval you have? First you write the interval. Next क्या आपके पास? Intervals. देखो listen. अब आपके पास इंटरवल क्या क्या आपके पास आ गया? इंटरवल्स माइनस इनफाइनाइट टू 3/4 और नेक्स्ट क्या आ गया आपके पास? 3/4 टू प्लस इनफाइनाइट. क्लियर? इसमें क्या आएगा आपके पास? साइन ऑफ एफ डैश एक्स. सेकंड में हमें चेक करना है. नेक्स्ट में आएगा नेचर ऑफ एफ एक्स. नेचर ऑफ एफ एक्स बुक्स में भी टेबल बनी होंगी, ये देख लेना. एक है साइन ऑफ एफ डैश एक्स और नेचर ऑफ एफ एक्स. तो सपोज यू आर पुटिंग द बिटवीन दिस वैल्यू हियर. वेयर इज पुटिंग यू हियर? इन दिस एफ डैश एक्स मींस साइन ऑफ एफ डैश एक्स. What will be putting here? 4x minus 3. Any value putting between this here, what will come? Positive and negative. Don't write the value here. Only sign positive and negative. Between number क्या आएगा इसका? 0.
0 आएगा सर. 3/4.
0 में कितना आएगा? Suppose you are putting here 0. Result will come here always negative. Clear? अगर suppose f dash x value is negative, it is less than 0, then you can say here
नेगेटिव आएगा.
nature of f x increasing function. Increasing है strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Second condition, suppose you are putting between this value in this function, what will you get here? Any value. Suppose you are 2 value. Suppose you are putting here between 2 here. 4 to 8 और 8 minus 5. This is कौन सा? पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. ये आपका डिक्रीजिंग है. ये पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. ये डिक्रीजिंग है. दिस इज स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग. क्लियर? इट इज क्लियर नाउ? एक टेबल्स को आप क्लोज कर लीजिए ऐसे. इट इज क्लियर? It is clear now? Yeah, listen. Which interval here is strictly increasing? Strictly increasing interval here 3/4 to infinite, or strictly decreasing interval here minus infinite to 3/4. So hence we can say that here is so f(x) is strictly increasing at interval 3/4 to infinite and strictly decreasing interval minus infinite to 3/4. ये आपका फाइनल स्टेटमेंट आ जाएगा. डन इट? इज क्लियर नॉट?